Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Last one, delivery. So professional services teams, implementation teams, similar to AI engineering, there's more and more that AI can assist with building and configuring if you're willing to tinker with it and get a pipeline and an automation sort of workflow down. So the recommendation would be automate anything that can be responsibly delegated to AI. And sometimes, depending on what's being implemented or what service is being delivered, there's a certain percentage of it that can be done with AI. The goal would be to find out what those things are and then delegate that to AI every time, and then keep a human in the loop to make sure that quality stays high.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.